So you probably know your top traffic sources, but do you know what traffic is driving the key events on your website? If you don't, then this is exactly how you find out. We're in the Digivizer platform and we've headed to the web performance tab and we scroll down to the traffic source table. So you can see with the traffic source table, all of your traffic is coming in best to worst performing. So currently we're sorting by users, but you can sort by sessions, views, and those key events there. So we've got traffic broken up really accurately, and you can even see a breakdown of referral traffic as well as direct and Google organic, as well as other search engines and even social media and AI traffic coming in there. But what we care about is the traffic causing those key events on site. So we can sort by key event. So maybe we care about signups the most. So we can simply flick to signups and see which of that traffic is causing signups on our site. And maybe we need to see newsletter joins. So we've then flicked to newsletter joins and we can then again see that sign up for site. So what this view can then do for us is we can see those channels which are causing those key events which we care about and allow us to double down on those channels.